Sana ng buhay nyo.
Parang mababa yung key nito. Mababa yung key, no? Ay, di summer! Third and final set, guys. Ayun, isa. Nandun. Ay, di summer! Third and final set, guys. I'm feeling sexy and free. And now it's raining on me. You're like a beautiful girl. Sitting out in the snow. I can take the tension like it's not smoke in the air. Now I'm feeling like you're running, cause you're taking me down. Don't you know? You're feeling out of control. Moving like a train track. Treat down, come on. Move me like a bass drum, walking up the rhythm. Baby, come on. You got me losing my mind. My heart is beating on time. You're sitting out of the sun. You're strumming like a guitar. I can take the tension like a knife is smoke in the air. Now I'm breathing like a running dust and taking me down. Don't you know? You're feeling out of control. Moving like a train track, now there's no game time. Baby, come on. Moving like a bass drum, driving on the rhythm. Baby, come on. You know, sige, sayaw niya para mawala yung mga amas nyo. Sayaw! Oh baby, baby, got me feeling so right. Oh baby, baby, got me feeling so right. Oh baby, baby, got me feeling so right. Oh baby, baby, got me feeling moonlight. Oh baby, baby, got me feeling so right. Oh baby, baby, got me in the moonlight. Oh baby, baby, got me feeling so right. Oh baby, baby, got me. My heart is to the starlight. Darling, dancing in the moonlight. Take me down like I'm a domino. Every second is a highlight. When we touch, they never let me go. Darling, dancing in the moonlight. Take me down like I'm a domino. Alright, grabe. Yan, para mawala naman yung mga ano nyo, yung mga ay magala. Ay, ito ba yan? Oo, di ba? Mawala yung mga libog nyo. Mamaya na lang yan. Yes, love, yes, dance, yes, love, dance. Shim, 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 shim. Hello, there was joking on. The way Johnson, you're a girl. You only got away, but you should check it out. Baby, you turn it on. Baby, it's my business, but for working lost. Nobody knows what I'm feeling inside. I find it just to be so I should and I like to be that to you, baby. this dance. Yeah, so, baby, you promised to let me on the way that you move on the reason is come on guys, and I love to you, baby. This will bring up pushing much just too much, and I am a stupid, so I should and I love to you, baby. Come on, guys. This moment I'm perfect world. We'll be together. Listen. I just have a song I just don't know. It's too much because to say. Come on, say. Come on, say yes. You know, and then again. I wanna dance. You know, and then again. It's your worldwide and the world. What a beautiful woman, what a hunter, big boy to the dead end. That's really world of body. Yes, I'm mommy, let's an open stretch chest. Place a big, take a shot in the chain. With the tickets wrong for I'm really out this wrong on Make a woman comfortable, come down and can't even show my learn. But I told hallelujah, bless this shot yesterday. Punch the reason she fought. Need a beat of just a bit down. There, low, there, down, low, there. If this girl I'm perfect, we'll be together. Learning that this will happen to us, and don't because to say, I wanna dance in love and dance again. I wanna dance in love and dance again. Grabe, ang gagaling sumayo ng ating mga bisita tonight. At syempre mga ka-power, newcomers, naghihirap ang halaga. Na 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 na. Come on guys! Na 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 na. Come on eh! Zumba! Hey, daling araw! Ayun ang galing sumayo. O, paak! Yeah, out of yan! Galing! Hey! Standing beside you, wishing you always be close to me. Mga kapawin niyo, kapawin! How will I tell you? Every night I sing my dreams to be me. I will never let you go. Come on, guys! Why does it stand to be a fantasy? Makes me go low before reality. Oh, I pray that the day to come when we will join together, cause that's one. Hey! I feel the passion burning inside my soul. There's no solution. Don't touch me if I fall. Believe me, I will never let you go. Come on, guys! Why do we stand to be fantasy? Makes me go low because reality. Oh, I pray that the day to come when we will join together, close as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 follow becoming young and free. Oh, afraid of the changes come when we rejoice together, close as one. Na 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 na, together as one. 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 Alright, ayan, thank you so much po guys. Ayun. Alright, thank you so much. Siyempre, maraming salamat po ayan, for the loving comment. At siyempre, sa mga gusto mag-request, request lang po kayo sa mga favorite nyo na kanta, guys. Pwede nyo pong ibabati sa amin yan. At siyempre, ayan, meron tayong mga performer dito every Monday hanggang Sunday. Ayan po ating performer, guys, ha. Ayan, sa mga gusto makakita ng iba-ibang performer, meron tayong mga trio, duo, guys. At siyempre, soloista tonight here. At ang halan, Cool Off, sige. Kayeng ba? Or session? Session road. Sige, kantayin natin yan.
Yes, may pinamumugutan nyo.
Nag-cool off na. Ang bilis naman mag-cool off.
Ulong agad tayo.
Ang bilis lang na ha. Cool off agad. Alright, sige. Isa na request yan kay boss. At syempre, boss, welcome po sa mga sa bagong dating ngayon. Kay boss na nag-iisa. Ayan. Mahirap po nag-iisa na nilang kumuha ka ng isa pa. Ganon. Alright, isa na isang try mo. Ayoko na munang makita ka. Ayoko na munang makasama ka. Gusto ko sanang mapag-isa. Di na yata tayong masaya. Di na yata kakayanin na. Gusto ko munang mapag-isa. Come on guys! Siguro ito lang ang intindihin mo na. Come on! Kailangan lang natin ng pahinga. Alright! Para sa mga palaya! Palayain ng isa't isa. Kung tayo talaga. Palayain ng isa't isa. Kung tayo talaga. Alright! Para sa mga pinapalaya at papalayain pa lang. Come on guys! Para sa may session roll of alternative song. Thank you boss! Ayan for the loving compliments. Yeah! 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 Ayoko nang unang lapitan ka. Ayoko nang unang makausap ka. Gusto ko sanang mapag-isa. Di na tayo magkasundo. Sumisikip na ang ating mundo. Time out muna tayo. Siguro ito na nga. Intindihin mo na. Come on! Kailangan lang natin ng pahinga. Say! Palayain ng isa't isa. Kung tayo talaga. Palayain ng isa't isa. Kung tayo talaga. 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 Alright, come on. Na 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 na. na 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 na
Ano pa?
Alright, ayan, thank you so much. Siyempre, this is another song. Ayan, sa mga gusto pong mag-awit, ayan, sa mga gusto rin mag-request, ayan. First and request ng tissue paper po, basta po alam namin, we will play the song, guys. Ayan. Alright, this is another song, Memories at Amon. Closing time? Hindi ka tayo closing eh.
Last
So, kaya na. Closing time. Sige, so mas mamaya pakantay natin sila.
Sinapos agad.
Para di sa another song, ayan, para sa mga mahilig mangarap na pag-ibig, eto na po yun. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay ko. Ito pangarap ko. Ang ibig sa tuwing ikaw ay nariyan, sabay kong nadarama ang kaba at ligay. Ang iyong tinig, wari ko'y di manig, pagkat namamahal, pagkausap ka. Kaya nais ko malaman mo ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay magkasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibig ka. Ikaw kaya ay nais din akong makapit. Ibig okay sarap namang isipin na tayong dalawa ay isa ang damdamin. Aking hinihiling na sabihin mo ang nilalaman ng iyong puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay magkasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko dyan, guys. Grabe. Raina, ay, ginagalingan naman masyado. Ayan, katay natin yung Stand Up for Love. Oo nga, grabe, no? Masakit sa itlog yun, Raina. Oo. Actually po, lalaki po talaga yan si Raina. Oo. Ang pangit lang po ng pag-retoke sa kanya sa recto. Oo, tingnan nyo yung kanya kinalabasan. Alright.
Bakit ba ang boses na pag kumakanta?
Hey, hey. Yan. Hey, sunshine. Hey. Hey, hey. There were times I find it hard to sleep at night. We are eventually such troubled times, and every time the reaches out for someone to hold for a moment, they become my own. And how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on with every second, with every minute out of the song is on. And I believe that in my life I was in the air, oh no, empty hopelessness, or giving up so far from me, and we are stand together this one time, then no one will get left behind. Stand up for life, stand up and hear me sing for love. Wala pa pala yun? Pangalawa pala yun. Sa umpisa sa pangalawa yun. And every day, that's how I know the things are gonna change. And how can I pretend that I don't know what's going on when every second, every minute, another soul is gone. I believe to be umpisa. Alright, syempre, this is our third and final set. Kaya maraming salamat po for staying with us at here. Tanghalan, once again, my name is Shane, together with Ryan for our guesting tonight. You say you've been feeling that feeling from love together and they are. You know you're on the time. You feel the one, you're still the one to give your love and truth. So bring it down to you. You told me that your love apologize won't come into your arms again. Coming out of the rain. Hey, hey, hey. There's a place in your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring. When you call the day, come on in out of the I love no one but you, but I'm strange. I know I made you blue. This walk into my very soul. You want my heart that once was gone. That I'm so glad to know now. You told me that you love me forever change. Won't come into your arms again. Come on in out of the rain. Hey, hey, hey. There's a place in your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring. When you call my name, come on in out of the rain. Some people spend a lifetime looking for love, and I love right here all of the time. Finding the strength to deny it, living time just couldn't find it. You try my life around, but love and loss is fun to let the rain come down. You tell me that you love me forever change. Welcome me to your arms again. Come on in out of the rain. There's a place in your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring. When you call my name, come on in out of the rain. Ooh, oh, yeah. Come on in now. Baby, come on in out of the rain.
Grabe, ang galing. Taas ang boses.
Oo nga, tas ang boses niya, no? Oo, grabe.
Natakit tuloy ako.
At syempre, sige, ako nagkakaroon ng mga request sa another song. Sige, kanta muna ako. Tapos after, ayan, tawag tayo ng mga genres. Ito muna, mag-ano lang ako.
Elvis Love.
Ano ba yun? Okay, is another song by Kyla. Ayan, chill muna tayo ngayon, guys. Ayan. Flowers PH Care. Ay, kala ko PH Care. Huwag mong limutin pag-ibig sa'kin na iyong pinagdamag. Pintig ng puso, huwag mong itago sa isang kahapon. Sana'y maulit ng mag-awi ang baguhan. Ba't hanggang ngayon ay ikaw ay
Bakit ba para sa akin?
ang mahal?
Kasalanan ko to eh.
Sa aking pag-iisa, bakit hanggang ngayon ay ikaw pa rin sila? Sa ating gabi, sa pagtulog mo, hanap mo pa ako hanggang sa pagising mo. Kailan man ikaw inibig ng tunaan, huwag mong limutin pag-ibig sa'kin na iyong pinagdamag. Pintig ng puso, huwag mong itago sa isang kahapon. Sana'y mabalik ang mapawi ang baguhan. At hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang mahal. Di makakapaniwala sa nagawa mong paglisan. Okay, bilis naman nawala ko sa akin. Oh, ang larawan mo, kahit sandali aking minamasdan, para bang tumiling ka. Dati kay likha, yung mo